Ikan apa nih? Pelan-pelan aja. Dan naik nih.
Some sort of pain, you caused a permanent stain, which has determined your fate. I've never seen so clear, I feel the end and it's near. The day of reckoning's here, the sound of deafening fear. You don't die if you try, you just might get a little bit of trouble, can't end. I left me right in your side, you would never see me coming. You don't die if you try, you just might get a little bit of trouble, can't end. I left me right in your side, you will never see me. My energy is next level, so damn you better be careful. I got an angel and devil, he snaps me straight in the temple. I'm ready to be a rebel, I've got a lot of potential hidden inside of this vessel. That shit is so exponential. I need a first class ticket to the top, no limit. I don't play no gimmicks, I'ma take you to the clinic. If you want a taste, come at me and you will be replaced.
Oh, kawan kita kena strike, rolling. Kawan kita strike, main trolling dia pakai minum. Pelan-pelan bang, pelan-pelan, selu. Ini lagi alun besar nih. Awas, jangan kendor. Mantap kali tadi. Mana? Ada kayaknya ada tuh. Putih ada tuh. Ah, ada tuh. Tempi ya. Sure. Ya, ada tuh. Ikan apa nih? Pelan-pelan aja. Dan naik nih, walaupun nggak besar kali. Alhamdulillah. Mentro ah. Alhamdulillah. Naik kawan kita. Otero, mantap kali. Tenggiri, angkat lu, angkat. Tenggiri, mantap. Mantap, dapat tero. Kita road trolling sambil jalan boat, teman-teman. Mantap. Ketok. Awas, ada matanya tuh. Mantap. Wah, jangan ke sana sih. Udah, nanti ke laut lagi tuh cepot dia, oi. Udah. Tunggu. Bentar. Ah, udah. Udah buka. Yes, mantap. Nah, buka, Bang. Rolling tadi kena 1 poin sampai jalan dengan angle puja. Oke, ini poin kita, alhamdulillah. Mantap kamu Jas. Amankan lu. Oke, kita amankan rambut dulu. Masuk. Kita masukkan. Oke, alhamdulillah. Wah, oke, selamat. Gas lagi.